to use a Docker, always you need to write like a sudo docker and then some command. To stop do that, you need to make a Docker group on your system and add the user that you want to this group, and then you no need to write every time sudo and then Docker and everything. Just write Docker and do something. Let's do that. How to add a group on the Arch Linux? Sudo group add, and we need a Docker, so we add a Docker group on the system and enter. I have it also, so I will not do that again. And then you add the user, your user, to this group by sudo usermod -a -g as a group, and the group name is a Docker, and the user, your user, same user that is using at the moment the system. And then reboot your system. Without rebooting, it will not work. Just reboot your system and it will work, and you will no need to write sudo every time that you want to write a command on the for Docker.